Alright guys, I wanted to give y'all a little update on what was going on with the brand, what's been going on in this last week. If you haven't noticed, we haven't been posting in like 3 to 4 days. I'm trying to get a video out almost every day, if not every other day, but I've been, trying to figure out what I'm doing with the brand going forward. So I did decide, I don't know if you watched my last video, I was contemplating on if I should continue with this shirt or if I should move on to the summer project, staple this my signature tee, and move on. So I did go with that decision. I'm dropping the shorts and the sleeveless shirts for the summer. Those are going to be dropping, I'm going to assume, I'm stuck between June 5th and June 12th. Comment down in the comment section below, what is the perfect date do you think that we should drop these? How bad do you really want this set? On top of that, I'm also going to get my fall production in motion so we can already have that in order. I'm not doing big bulks right now because I don't want to go through the whole hassle of having a whole bunch of inventory in the house that I don't. And I'm trying to figure out everyone's sizes when it comes down to what people wearing. How you guys are adjusting to the oversized clothing. Are you really willing to put that shit on? So that's what we're going through right now when it comes down with that. Did a couple of sticker samples because I want to see which direction I'm going to go with the stickers. I'm sampling everything that's going around. Last time I was just buying shit just to buy shit and it was so freaking wasteful. I wasted so much money on things. I have a whole goddamn closet full of inventory that I haven't gotten rid of yet. I think I might put it on Depop or something. We ended up getting stickers, guys. Let me know if y'all like these stickers. Let me know if y'all like these stickers. One time for the one time. No clear signal. This is what we're working with for the stickers. I only got a couple of these because I wanted to see how they would look. I wanted to hand them out. Maybe I'm gonna do another version of these stickers. It's just gonna be Cypher, and it's just gonna be Cypher. We're gonna have like maybe 3 to 4 different type of stickers on the site. Probably gonna do some sunglasses, like I said, chain belts, and we got the jeans and flannel coming out for the fall. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to be pushing these shirts, maybe. I really need y'all to lock in and communicate with me a little bit more if you're rocking out with the brand and letting me know, like, hey, even though you're not going to buy it, I just want to know your input and how you're feeling about it because, the community, everything matters. I have a community tab on my Instagram, both Instagrams, and I have a community tab also on my TikTok where I talk and I expect feedback from people because what's the point of you being in there if you're not going to give feedback? People tell me that they haven't seen me or seen my videos in 2 years. I post every single day. Bro. There's not a day that I don't post, even if it's not on the main story. If it's not on my main page, it's on my story. So with that being said, guys, all we have is basically the larger sizes right now. We're going to get rid of the inventory of the larger sizes. We have a whole bunch of larges and extra larges. We're sold out of the smalls and the extra small. We have about like 1 medium and everything else is large and extra large. People are probably thinking that, oh, it's going to be too big or it's going to be too small. They're oversized shirts, so you're going to have to go down a size anyway. You're going to have to go down a size anyway. And I need influencers for my brand. I need content creators for my brand. I need people that get dressed and that don't mind taking pictures to style up my clothing that I have and that I'm producing for you guys. So if you're interested, please shoot me a DM, comment on this video, let me know who don't want free merchandise. You know what I'm saying? Every time I drop something, you'll get something. So with that being said, holla at me in the DM. Bro, please holla at me in the DM. And if you're not locked into my Discord, lock into my Discord. I've been streaming on Twitch lately. Again, I've been getting back into it. You know what I'm saying? I feel good this year. I feel really great. And I have to post about like maybe 8 videos today. So I'm going to make sure I get that done. But I wanted to come up on here and give y'all a little update on what was going down. I'm not slacking in my lacking. I'm just literally doing the behind the scenes work to where it's like posting content is not something that I'm very interested in when I'm trying to figure out quality, when I'm trying to figure out fabrics, when I'm learning how to sew. I'm going to give y'all a video on that. Let me know if y'all want to see me sew. Let me know if y'all want to see a sewing video. I did these jeans that I haven't even showed you guys. To be honest, that I might show you. I'll show y'all. So I basically last week a month ago I thrifted some Dickie pants. And I don't know why I said I want to do something with these. I don't know if I was going to spray paint them. I don't know. I just had a creative vision when it came down to these Dickie pants. But then my girlfriend has a sewing machine and she hasn't used it. We just opened it out the box. I read 1 page of the directions and I just started sewing. I watched a couple of TikToks and I learned a couple of things that I wanted to learn. Now I want to make everything up under the sun. I want to make every single project and then tell my vendor to make multiple of them. But these are the jeans. They're not even jeans. They're construction pants. What I did was I took a flannel and I cut out patches and I put flannel in between the construction pants. You mostly see these on jeans. I haven't seen them on any construction pants. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gassing myself. I only seen them on jeans. I just stretched it a little bit. Got a couple of pockets over here. A couple of patches right here. I think I did pretty good for my first time. And I was just free with it. You know what I'm saying? I let my mind go crazy. And I also, I cut off a pocket and I put a flannel on the back as a pocket right here, which is crazy. I did these jeans in like technically 2 days. I stayed up till like 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I ended up going to sleep, getting back at like at 10, 11 to finish it. I was done by 12 to where I was able to wear them to work. So I think that's pretty dope. So that's what I've been doing on my socials, low key. I've been teaching myself new things, guys. So if you rock out with me, man, please subscribe to this channel one time for the one time. Give this video a big thumbs up. Please be active, comment. Just don't watch the video. You know what I'm saying? Let me know that I'm not invisible, because sometimes I feel invisible when my stuff is not being, you know, you're not active. Y'all just being bots. And with all this AI going around, I wouldn't be surprised if y'all was bots or not. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. And by the next video, we should have our shipment of our summer boat.